Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. Not really working on cars or anything. Well, we actually do have to work on the Jeep way up there. But we just got the camper back from what we've all been calling Caterpillar Lake for the last 2.5 months. And as you can see, the entire camper is pretty trashed. Now all these little dots here, that is Caterpillar shit. It was so bad you could not cook outside unless you were under an awning, and it sounded like it was raining for pretty much 2 months straight. So there's a non-Caterpillar roof, and here's a Caterpillar roof. You can see awnings, everything, all disgusting. Sides, you name it. So what we're going to try, because it worked really good on my house, we're going to try this 30-second outdoor cleaner. So for the house, I just, pretty much sprayed it on, let it sit for a little while. Here, I think we're going to try using a brush, but I'm not sure how well you can see the house. 20-year-old soffit, it's all basically brand new looking. So let's get this started, see what happens. All right, so as you can see, we are pretty well hammered up here. All this, all black and crap. Just stains all over the place. So just gonna spray this stuff on, use a brush a little bit, let it sit for, I don't know, a minute or two, and see what happens. So let's go. Now this, I'm just wetting it down a little bit. I'm not really too worried about the awning because we'll get that last. And we're going to do a line pretty much right from the air conditioner forward. Now if this works anywhere near as good as it did on my house, I'm going to be pretty happy. Oh, alright. Let's switch her over. Or not. There we go. Five minutes later, and after just barely hitting it with the brush, it's going to take a little bit of work here. But I just went over this one time with the brush, and you can see where I stopped, obviously. Right behind the AC unit. I did run out of product, so I'm going to go refill, lift up the antenna. If we're going to do it, we might as well do it right. But as you can see, even the awning, I only hit it like once with the brush, and it's taken most of the stuff off. So we're going to go through, do the whole roof, and we're going to come back. Alright, let's go through, see how we ended up. And here we are. It took about an hour. Went through, pretty much hit it twice. Really the only thing left are little pieces of sap here and there, but hey, we got trees. I could go through with rubbing alcohol and take that off, but I really don't care. As you can see, slide toppers came out pretty good. Over here, the awning, brightened the awning up. And that's my knowledge, this is the original 18-year-old awning. All the whites are back to white. These were hammered. You can see these are pretty clean now. And yeah, did not take long. So, overall, pretty happy. Going through and I'm doing up the rest of the camper now. Slide topper came out good. No more Caterpillar shit. So, yeah, overall, I'd say as a quick hack, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I did buy the 2.5 gallon bucket, and it will be enough to do my whole camper. But pretty happy. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos. Thanks.